Team 10 of Dr. Aukes EGR 202 class consists of Timothy Barron, Troy Marks, Joe McMillan, Pat Phillips, and Nicholas Ramirez. We were tasked with designing a new method to control the spread of Makinya vine in the National Forest of Nepal and determine a way to harvest biochar as a profitable market item to financially benefit the people involved in the removal process. After determining our stakeholders, we used various tools to come up with a concept for our design. We recognized cultural and financial aspects of Nepal, weighed our user needs, and combined our most logical concepts. We ended up with a rolling drum that has retractable pins to collect vines with ease. We tested our prototype using a net to represent a vine-like structure. Our design worked well to collect the mock vine. We conducted multiple tests with different users for our data.
Our method for collecting the Makinya vine was tested for various time trials to determine the time efficiency of our tool compared to other methods. We found our tool both outperformed hand removing the vines or using a tool such as a rake to move the vines. We also tested for force output efficiency and compared it with a working mathematical model, which turned out to be fairly accurate in determining the amount of force required to push our tool. Using these tests, we have determined our tool makes the collecting the vine more ergonomic and desirable for rapid collection of the Makinya vine.
We presented our project at the Innovation Showcase, and we received valuable feedback that helped us to determine potential future design changes to improve our concept.
Determining how to build our tool required input from each team member to recognize various constraints we would face. These constraints ultimately determined a need to redesign our model. The final build reflects very similarly to our initial plan still and works as we had hoped. Future changes could be made to improve on this design, and if given the opportunity to expand on these improvements, our tool could revolutionize how Makinya vine is removed.
We then came up with final design modifications to complete our final poster revision and our final report. Thank you.